Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to use the index and match formula. In the previous video, we have seen how to create a drop-down list of each different ward and different months. So now we'll create another cell for knowing the number of admissions. Okay, so using the index and match formula, we are going to get it done. So how to do it? The formula is simple. It's going to be index, and here they does ask. See here, Excel itself displays what should be the formula. Like what are the inputs which we should give for the formula to be functional. So array. So our index should contain data from A1 to G8. So the whole data set. Okay. And now we are going to use the match formula. For row number, we are going to use match. So lookup value. So our value here should be based on the ward in which we are interested in. So here, this ward, which ward we are interested in, that will be displayed here. So the address of this cell is B12. So I'm asking Excel to look up in B12 cell to know which ward I'm interested in. Because here I'm going to change using the drop down list. I'm going to change which word I'm interested in. So I'm asking Excel to look up in B12 cell. Okay. So the lookup value is B12. Lookup array where it should between which range of cells the data should be looked upon. Here, here the required data is the name of the ward. So it is given between A1 and A8. So I need the Excel to look between A1 to A8. Okay. And match type. What is match type? I am entering it as 0 because I want my values to be exact match. If it is, if I'm keeping my match type as +1, it is less than what I'm looking. Or if it is more -1, then it's greater than what I'm looking. In this context, it won't fit. So here I'm entering as 0 because I want the exact value as mentioned in the cell B12. That is, if here my requirement is medicine, so whichever exactly matches this MEDICINE here, it will show up here. Okay, so this we have given. So this is for the row details, the row where I should look on. Now coming to column where I should look on, again match formula. Here lookup value. So I'm asking Excel to look up here. Okay, because here is where my months required month is going to be. So here the address of the cell is C12. Okay, C12, and lookup array between which range of cells Excel should look up. It's between this A1 to G1. Okay, A1 to G1 it should look upon, and again I want this to be exact match without any compromise. So I'm closing this. So we are done. Yes. So in medicine ward during March month we have 1204 cases. Now what is the status of OG ward in March month? It is 768. We'll cross verify March month OG 768. We'll change the months and see. In June month, what is the OG admission rate? It is 968. So this is the utility of index and match formula. This might seem not so useful when we are looking at this smaller data set, but when we are dealing with thousands and lakhs of data, having these kind of formulas would be extremely helpful. Thank you.